Now that we've fed gas to the line that we want to serve from, we're going to come in here and we're going to open our gateway, this valve that parallel with the gas line. That's going to send gas to our coupler. In this instance, we're using line 1, and we're going to connect the coupler, making sure when you start, this is on an angle. There's 2 grooves on either side of this coupler and 2 notches on the top side of the peg. I'm going to align those, turn until tight, and depress the lever. To remove the coupler, all we need to do is pull out on the spring-loaded handle and pull up. That's going to have it at an angle, and using the coupler body, spin left until you take it out.